Hello everyone. So today we will be seeing about anatomy interview questions for medical coding interview. So these are the familiar or repeated questions or frequently asked questions at the time of interview. So I have listed totally 30 number of questions and made it as part 1 and part 2. So don't skip part 2 also. Okay, so first question, what are the different planes of the human body? So first one is sagittal plane, which divides the body into left and right. Frontal or coronal plane divides front, anterior and posterior. Transverse divides the body into upper and lower, that is superior and inferior. So totally three types of body plane: sagittal plane, frontal, which is coronal plane, and transverse plane. Okay, second question, what are the types of muscle tissue? So first one is skeletal muscle, that is a voluntary muscle attached to the bones is called a skeletal muscle. Second one is involuntary smooth muscle, that is involuntary muscles found in the internal organs. Third one is cardiac muscle, involuntary muscle found in the heart. Third question, which organ produces insulin? The pancreas produces insulin, which regulates the blood sugar level. So pancreas is the organ which is producing the insulin. So one more thing I'll add up here, removal of pancreas is called as pancreatectomy. Okay, so that is also a question. And the fourth question is, how many bones are there in the human body? In adult human body, totally 206 bones are present. Don't skip, watch the video continuously so that you will have a proper idea of the first part, 15 questions, and in the second part again 15 questions are added. So the fifth question is, which bone is the longest in the human body? The femur, that is the thigh bone, is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. Femur bone, that is the thigh bone, it is the longest and strongest bone in the human body. So the sixth question is, what is the function of the liver? The main function is detoxification. The liver detoxifies chemicals, produces bile, and aids in metabolism. Aids in the sense it helps in metabolism. Okay, so the liver detoxifies chemicals, produces bile, and helps in metabolism. That is the main function of the liver. Seventh one, where is the pituitary gland located? The pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain and regulates various hormones. The pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain and regulates various hormones. While looking into the questions, you will feel like it's very easy, but it is tough. Okay. So, eighth question, what is the difference between tendons and ligaments? Tendons connects the muscles to the bones, whereas ligaments connect bone to other bones. That is the difference here. Tendons connect muscle to the bones, whereas ligaments connect bone to other bones. And the ninth question, what is the function of red blood cells? Red blood cells or RBCs carry oxygen from the lungs to the body tissue and remove carbon dioxide. So, the functions of red blood cell is, red blood cells RBCs carry oxygen from the lungs to the body tissue and remove carbon dioxide. 10th question, how does blood flow through the heart? Blood flows into the right atrium, moves to the right ventricle, travel to the lungs, return to the left atrium, and is pumped out through the left ventricle. Entering into the right atrium, moves to the right ventricle, travel to the lungs, then it is returning to the left atrium and pumped out of the left ventricle. So here 11th question, what is the function of hemoglobin? Hemoglobin binds oxygen in red blood cells and transports it throughout the body. Function of hemoglobin is, it binds oxygen in red blood cells and transports it throughout the body. Next, 12th question. What does the respiratory system, how does the respiratory system function? The respiratory system facilitates the exchange of gases, taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide through the lungs and alveoli. The respiratory system facilitates the exchange of gases, taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide through the lungs. 13th question. What are the different types of white blood cells? Totally, we have 5 different types of white blood cells, that is neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils and basophils. Neutrophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, eosinophils and basophils. 14th question. What is the primary function of the kidney? So the kidneys filter waste and regulate electrolytes and maintain blood pressure. The kidneys filter waste, regulate electrolytes and maintain blood pressure. Fifteenth question. How does the nervous system transmit signals? So the neurons send electrical and chemical signals through synapses using neurotransmitters. I'll repeat again. Neurons send electrical and chemical signals through synapses using neurotransmitters. So that's all. The first part 15 questions are completed. Please do watch part 2 which will be added next. So the remaining 15 questions are added in the part 2. So don't skip. Please do check out the video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you have any queries or if you need any sort of videos, you can put it as a comment so that I'll try my best from my side. Okay, so thank you so much. And also, if you are interested in more medical coding tips, don't forget to check out our other YouTube videos. I offer a detailed training and insights into complex coding scenarios. So subscribe for more updates, and if you need help with your coding skills or certification, please do WhatsApp in the given number. And thank you so much. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.